News coming in. Remember, one of the other decisions beyond Indus Water Treaties with regard to diplomats. Let's take a look at that. We are told that there are diplomats who've been asked to leave and they'll have to evict. They are already packing their bags. There's been a timeline that has been set. Now, while a diplomat was summoned, there has been also the reduced diplomatic number that also is being reported. That the presence of the diplomats at different missions of Pakistan will be highly reduced. Remember, these are diplomatic decisions that India has taken. And as we put out the decisions for you, India expelling Pakistan defense advisors, diplomats have been asked to leave. About 48 hours timeline also has been given to the ones as visas are being cancelled one by one. No new visa will be accorded now to Pakistan nationals for whatever reason they intend to visit India, in the backdrop of the wailing widows, the shock among the children who were on a holiday. And remember, this is as we talk about families one after another that are facing this. Asim Bassi is at the Atari border. That's the third decision that has been taken after the Indus Water Treaty, the cancellation of the visas, the diplomatic number reduced at the Atari, which is also Atari Wagah border as we call it, has been shut for now. I want to go to Asim for that. Asim, put this in understanding for us. He's talking to people.
Well, the border has been closed by Indian government after the Pahalgam terror attack. But first of all, I'll show you visuals. These are Pakistani nationals who are going back in a hurry. They had a 45-day visa, but they're going back because the border has been closed. They came here in Delhi for some reasons, to meet some relatives. But now, this entire, since border has been closed, you can see here that few Pakistani nationals are going back in emergency. We spoke to few people. हाँ जी, आप कब आए थे यहाँ पे? आप बता दीजिए सर, कब आए थे आप? आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम? इंडियन हूँ, मैं इंडियन हूँ. So you can see now the Pakistani nationals who are going back in a hurry because they had a 45-day visa, but they are going back because the borders has been closed and immediately people have been asked to go back to their native places. So we spoke to few people. They said that definitely it's a problem for them that the border has been closed. हाँ जी सर, क्या नाम है आपका? सर नाम बता दीजिए. क्या नाम है आपका? चाचा बोले चाचा. कब आए थे आप?
बड़ी मेहरबानी आपकी. अब थक गया.
नहीं, आप बॉर्डर क्लोज हुआ उसको किस तरह देखते हैं?
यह सही बात नहीं है. क्लोज नहीं होना चाहिए था. बिल्कुल दोनों तरफ से जो है आना जाना होना चाहिए.
लेकिन जो टेररिस्ट अटैक हुआ है उसमें इतने इनोसेंट लोगों को मार दिया गया है और कहा जा रहा है वो पाकिस्तानी स्पॉन्सर्ड टेररिस्ट है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. हम उसके बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल ऐसी कोई बात नहीं.
और आप कब आए थे?
हेलो
हम एक हफ्ते पहले आए थे.
नो कमेंट.
इमरजेंसी में वापस जा रहे हैं?
जी हाँ, बस no comments.
So you can hear that the people who came here, they are going back in emergency due to the closure of border. These are the scenes here at the Atari border because the Indian government took a tough diplomatic measure, saying that they will basically have the people who have come to India through this border will have to return till 1st May, and those on the SAARC visas will have to go back within 48 hours. So you can see more families here who will be going back now. So these are the scenes here at the Atari Wagah border, where people.
हमको ये पता चला कि ऐसा वाकया हो गया है और इस वाकये के पीछे हमें नहीं पता कौन है कौन नहीं है. तो फिर हम जो है वापस जो है दिल्ली सदर बाजार और वहाँ पर गए. पुलिस स्टेशन हमने रवानगी लिखवा दी अपनी. अब हम बॉर्डर क्रॉस कर रहे हैं.
आप कितने दिनों के लिए आए थे?
हम जो है यहाँ 45 दिन का वीजा था हमारा. हमको 45 दिन ठहरना था.
अभी आप कितने दिनों बाद वापस जा रहे हैं?
अब हम 15 दिन बाद वापस जा रहे हैं.
अभी आप कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत शुक्रिया. अच्छा थोड़ी लग रहा है.
सर आपका नाम?
शेख फजल अहमद.
So these are the visuals. You can see the Pakistani families going into the integrated check post from where they will go to the immigration counters and then cross over. From the immigration counters, from there they will cross over to Pakistan.
Tell me more. What does this mean?
This is the only on-foot crossing between.
Go ahead. Finish your point, please.
This is the only on-foot crossing. I will tell you that the Atari Wagah checkpost is the only on-foot crossing between the two nations.
Yes.
Anybody who has a valid visa, on-foot visa, Pakistani can come to India and Indian can go to Pakistan. Even the religious jathas take this route. But now this has been closed by the Indian government, and आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे वापस जाने? नहीं. So the Pakistani women, they're not basically talking to the media, saying they don't want to talk. But we spoke to a few men who clearly said that they are going back in a hurry, and this clearly signals that yes, there is a cause of emergency between them ever since the news broke out that the closure of the border.
I hope Pakistan is watching this, Asim, isn't it? I hope Pakistan is watching how its own people are also as much being impacted for what it carried out and sent terrorist-sponsored to Pahalgam to kill and target our innocent people. Asim, what does this mean? That means throughout the day, there are going to be people, Pakistan nationals, who will have to now leave from this border. It's been shut completely, is what we are being told, that only exit is allowed.
Yes, I'll tell you that only the people who had already entered this nation will be allowed to go back till 1st of May. Okay? The people who have already entered. But anybody who has a fresh visa will not be allowed to cross. Since this border operates between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So they will cross the border at 10 a.m. and the gates will close at 4 p.m. So any people who have stranded in India, any Pakistani nationals can go back till 1st of May from this route. Those having SARC visas will go back till 48 hours. आपको जाने नहीं दिया आगे क्या हुआ?
नहीं, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि दूसरे दरवाजे से एंट्री होगी।
इधर से तो होती नहीं एंट्री।
तो आपका लंबा प्लान था यहाँ रहने का?
जी।
कितने दिन का?
45 दिन का।
तो अब कितने दिन रह के आए?
हम तो 1 हफ्ते रह कर आए।
1 हफ्ता रह के गए। तो आप कैसे देखते हैं जो डिप्लोमेटिक हुआ है एक्शन भारत ने
जो भी हुआ गलत हुआ है।
हाँ, तो जिस तरह पाकिस्तान बेस्ड टेररिज्म ने
अब ये नहीं मालूम, हम इस बारे में कुछ नहीं कह सकते।
वो तो इनपुट्स आ ही रही हैं एजेंसी से कि जो पाकिस्तान स्पॉन्सर्ड टेररिज्म है उसने जो है टूरिस्टों को मारा है।
वो हमें नहीं पता इस बात का।
तो अभी आप वापस जा रहे हैं यहीं पे हैं?
नहीं, अभी हम यहीं पर ही हैं। अभी देखते हैं, वेट कर रहे हैं हम। दरवाजा खुलेगा तो हम जाएंगे अंदर इंशाल्लाह।
तो आप ये बता दीजिए कि जो आम सिटीजन है उसमें क्या मैसेज, आप कितना डर गए थे जब ये मैसेज आया?
बिल्कुल डर गए थे, इसलिए तो इमरजेंसी आया।
So you can see that the people say that they were scared, although they don't want to comment on the innocent Indian tourists who were basically gunned down by the terrorists. But they say that yes, they got scared. This is the reason they're going back. And as this border opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 4 p.m., so the people will be allowed to go back to Pakistan at around 10 a.m. So anyone who has a valid visa and has already entered India will be allowed to go back till 1st of May from this border. The people who are having SARC visas will have to go back within 48 hours, but no fresh entry will be made into India or from India from this border. Yeah.
Asim, keep tracking and the updates that are coming in, and this is the realization that Pakistan also needs to have, how its own people are suffering because of its own actions, of how it's targeted India and expected India to not do anything, to not even respond diplomatically. But India has taken that decision now. Pakistan nationals have been given time, at least till the 1st of May is what we are being told, to leave and to exit, and that no more new visas will be allotted.